Hello friends, this is Professor Shweta. I have come up with my another video on YouTube regarding interview skills you need to for an interview. Let's start the journey. I have divided this video into three parts. What do you mean by interview? What are the various types of interview and what are the strategies to be used to crack those interviews? Let's start. Getting an interview call for your dream job is another step in the right direction. However, it is not the end of the road as you still need to crack that interview. In this video, we'll look at some important interview skills that can help you ace the interview and get the job. So let's see what are the most effective interview skills. In this video, we'll look at some important interview skills that can help you to ace the interview and get the job. So let's see what are the most effective interview skills. Before that, we are going to study the various types of job interview. Employers conduct different types of job interviews such as behavioral, case study, group interview, phone and video interview, online interviews, second interviews and even interview held during meal. These are important job interviews to understand if you are searching for a job, but there are some other interviews you may experience throughout your career. These employment related interviews include exit interview, mock interview and informational interview. When we start discussing about types of interview, there are formal, informal, panel, telephone, getting ready for an interview as a designer or creative. Take a video of this different types of interview and make sure you are ready for your next time to impress. So you have got your foot in the door and it's time to shine at your first interview. All you have to do now is very easy. First skill which you require to crack an interview is research about the company. This is not an option. It is extremely important to get basic information about the company for which you are interviewing. In a study, 40% of interviewers reveals that they wouldn't offer the job to a candidate if they have a little knowledge of the company. Second important aspect comes analyze the job description. Along with the researching the company, be sure to know that the key focus area of the role you are applied for. Read carefully the job description and make the list of the points to justify how you are capable of achieving this specific duty. Next, brush up your basics. It is very important. Basics play an important and fundamental role since you are a fresher. In case if you have experience, organize your thought about your work and present them well. Prepare for the test. The test can be in form of written or activities or presentations as per the job posting. Prepare for the potential interview questions. This kind of question includes tell me about yourself, describe who you are, why should I hire you, why do you want this job, where do you see yourself in 5 years, and many more. Make such lists of a potential question to a job profile background. For further related to such kind of question, kindly refer to HR interview question and prepare well. Most important, be punctual. Reach before time. This shows that you are professional. Be attentive. Good communication skill can go a long way in impressing the interviewer. Listen carefully to everything the interviewer is saying. Speak clearly. Maintain clarity of speak at all times to the project, confidence and clarity of thought. When communicating, speak in calm and clean manner. Don't be in rush to get through the answers. Next comes is maintain good body language. Lots of communication is indeed non-verbal and this is a critical in an interview. In fact, 33% of employers figure out within the first 90 seconds of the interview whether they will hire someone. Make eye contact with your interviewer. Be sure you look at them. Don't look down or at the wall or at the clock. This shows a lack of confidence. So, make eye contact. Rehearse explaining your resume. This is time to elaborate on certain important accomplishment in your resume. Know what and when to speak. Keep in your mind, even if the interviewer is acting friendly, avoid inappropriate or slang languages or jargons. Interview modes. Don't wait till you reach the interview room to be polite or professional. Switch on your interview mode as soon as you enter the interview venue. Do not waste time. Be planned. Be direct in your answer and do not beat around the bush. Customize your answers. Instead, list out various your skills sets can add value to the role and company for which you are interviewing. Mention your strength. You will get several chances in the interview to talk about your strength. This can be a classic way. What are your strengths? You can be asked about particular project listed on your resumes. Define your career goal. Short-term and long-term goals. Have clear visions. Follow the interviewer's lead. Interviewer may have a different style of talking and conducting an interview. Follow their lead in their way of talking and professional behavior. Ask the right question at right point of time. Do not hesitate to bring up whatever concerns you have. However, ask only relevant questions. Stay motivated. In case you feel that interview isn't going as well as you hope, don't be sad and demotivated. Continue to reply honestly. Remember, a positive attitude can leave a good impression on the interview. Show gratitude. No matter how your interview goes, always take a moment to thank the interviewer for their time and consideration. A positive attitude and a polite behavior can go a long way in impressing people. Remember, the interview is all about you and how well you respond and you represent yourself. So be confident and follow the above tips. We are sure you will be able to do good. Your interviewer will be looking at a particular skills, basically on communications, your good listening skills, your confidence, your friendliness, and your balance. What should you look after when you go for the job interview? What are the common mistakes done by the candidate? Common non-verbal mistake made by during the interview is failure to make eye contact, too many hand gestures, having a weak handshake, fidgety, playing with your hair, not smiling, poor posture, crossing arms, and many more. There are various things which interviewer will be looking. 7 common non-verbal mistakes made during the job. Failures to make eye contact, non-smiling, too much fidgeting, having bad posture, playing with facial hair or touching their faces, crossing their arms over their chest. So these are very common non-verbal communication mistake which every candidate does, and they are out at the first round. Hope you don't make such kind of mistake when you go for the interview. Summary: understand the interview process. Assemble and consider various previous interview experience. Rehearse well. Research about company. Dress professionally and look professional. Be punctual. Assess the competition. Prepare for the behavioral interview questions. Describe the situation, task, actions. Maintain good eye contact. Listen carefully. Keep all your answers positive. Thank you for your attention and all the best for your interview. Hope this tip will help you to develop your interpersonal skills, critical thinking and analysis, good communication, multitasking, professionalism. If you like my video, kindly click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.